double, bring that heat, boy.
What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the same day, different video, different car, different things. So today I'm gonna end up installing these side skirts and front splitter on my Dodge Hellcat Charger. So I currently, let me go ahead and turn this camera around. So here's the side skirts, well, one of the side skirts. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I'm gonna put those on, or put that on. And in addition, oh snap, who we got right there, girl? What's your name? Alright, as you guys can see, I'm wiping this off. It's got some dust on it because it's been sitting for a while. I'm gonna take my 3M tape right here. Go ahead and place that right here. All right, so I got the 3M tape on there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna peel the backside of this off, stick it on there where I want it to be at, and then what I'm gonna do is I'll take the drill, which is sitting right there, and then I'll go ahead and start drilling the holes for it underneath it. Like I said, it's pretty thin plastic, so it should be fairly easy to get it to secure. Let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so like I said, we're gonna go ahead and peel this off. I took my razor and kind of made it a little bit more cleaner where I'm gonna put it at, because when I drill, I'm gonna drill as close as I can here. That way I'm not drilling through the tape. So as you guys can see, I have those spots here, 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 and then so forth down. All right, so let's go ahead and peel this. It's a little hard to grab this thing off of here, so.
Double, bring that heat, boy.
All right, now that I got that done, let's go ahead and place it where I want to put it at. Actually, before I do that, let me go ahead and clean off the underneath of the side skirt on the Hellcat itself. That way, once I put this on there, it'll adhere a lot better. So I'm just going to use this old microfiber cloth right here, and I think I had some soap and water in the spray bottle. Here it goes right here. Just clean this really good. That's a brand new car, man, so it ain't grimy really underneath here, and I always wash my cars. All right, that's good to go. All right, so got it set where I want to. I'll show you guys what I'm doing now. Said I'm putting these fasteners in here. I'm drilling the pilot holes, or holes. I don't know if you can call them pilot holes. I'm drilling holes on here. So my drill is pretty, realizing it it's pretty sharp, so when I drill into here, it tends to pull this down, so I try to go really slow. See, as it's pulling it down now, so I'm gonna back it up. All right, go back in. Next step is popping this in there. And now secure. So I'm gonna do another one here just to make sure it's on there, and every one I'm gonna go ahead and do the same way. So let's get to it. All right, so got it all fastened on there. It's all secure. It ain't going anywhere. As you guys can see, put all the push pins, push pin, all the way down. So yeah, it's on there, man. It ain't going anywhere. I'm gonna do the back. So I have another piece that's gonna go back here. I'm gonna do the same deal with it. Tape it, and then drill one hole here to secure. It's a small piece. So yeah, I'll turn you guys back on when I get to that part, or when I complete that part, and then the front splitter goes on next after that. All right, so got the side skirts on. The other side piece right here for the bumper, I think it came out all right. So the only thing next I need to do is put the splitter on. So for the most part though, I like the way that looks. It looks good. You guys are wondering where my 24s are at, man. So that plastic dip job, yeah, I'm not liking it, man. It's killing me that I know that it's on there, and it's hard to keep them clean. So I'm actually gonna drop them off here in the next couple weeks to get painted. I'm gonna take them to a paint shop versus the powder coat. But yeah, I got both sides on there. Actually look really good on there. So still need to do the front splitter. Once I do the front splitter, I'll show you guys. Let me know what y'all think about that splitter and the side skirts. Just make sure you watch out for the front. You heard me? Just make sure you watch out for the front part. All right, so boy, that thing looked good. So I got the splitter on, slap the 24s back on there with the tire stickers, a little touch to it, side skirts, and then I have the bumper side skirt. So boy, I think it looked good, man. You guys tell me, leave it in the comments below, let me know what you guys think. Might think my tire stick is a little cheesy, but I like it. It says grind pays off, 707 Hellcat. All right, YouTube. That's it for the Hellcat, from the stuff that I put on today. Appreciate you guys checking the video out. Appreciate you guys tuning in, and I appreciate you guys that have subscribed already for subscribing. Got more videos coming for you guys, man. Like I said, I'm just gonna keep adding weekly, man, on these videos, man, for you guys. So the next thing up is I'm gonna mess with this Camaro, see what I can do with the Camaro, the 3rd gen. I need to get it out, get it polished up, clean. I've been saying that for a while. I'm actually about to go ahead and do that, knock that out, man, and get it back on the road. So appreciate you guys subscribing. If you guys didn't subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a couple thumbs up, leave any comments below, hit that notification bell for future videos, and I appreciate it. I'm out.